My name is Nadia Corridan. I'm from Cork, just outside Kinsale, and I'm an artist. Wild Goose approached me back in September. They saw my work on Facebook, so I got a call and met up with them and heard about their new collection that they were designing, loosely based around the 8 pillars of joy. Each piece looks at kind of a different aspect about how to achieve joy in your life. The piece Always Sunrise Somewhere, I suppose it started off, we wanted the Fibonacci sequence to be a part of the end design, and I suppose kind of an abstract kind of close-up of the sunflower, because it was about paring it back and trying to draw out the outline of the sunflower and figure out what the elements are, break it down to its petal, to its colours, how does that look in bronze. I was working in clay, so the clay, I sculpted the clay and then I handed that over to be cast in bronze, and how would that look then being polished? Where would the light bounce off the petals, or would it bounce off the seeds? Those were all elements to consider. When you look at the end piece, that is, it's got undergone a series of transformations to achieve the final outcome. To see these pieces in the Kilkenny stores, and to know that I've been on a collaborative journey with the Wild Goose Studios. It's not that long ago since I was in college, and I've, like most students and most people, you visit the craft stores, you visit art galleries, and you figure out what you want to be as an artist, and really once you come out of art college you realise that there is no straightforward path in life, and it can take you anywhere. And I didn't know that a couple of years later I would be working with Wild Goose, and I'm so delighted that this is part of the journey of being an artist, that you end up in places you don't expect, and you meet these wonderful people, and you get to be part of something special, I think. So for me, I'm going to be delighted to see them on the shop floor, that I can walk through, that I know that not only there's one Kilkenny store, but there's several.